So in this video, I'm going to explain to you how you can determine the amount of a substance that's dissolved in a solution. And so the term that we're going to be using for concentration is molarity. Okay? So molarity, the formula for molarity, here's the practice problem we're going to go over, but the formula for molarity is molarity equals moles of solute over liters of solution. And so what you can do is if you know the molarity of a solution, and you know the amount of liters of that solution, you can determine the moles of the compound that has been dissolved into that solution. So in this example, it asks you how many grams of sodium chloride are in a 1.20 molar solution with a volume of 350 milliliters. So I know my molarity, it's 1.20, so 1.20 equals, well, I don't know my number of moles, so I'm going to put that as X. And I'm going to divide that by liters of solution. Well, right now I'm in milliliters. I need to get into liters. So I'm going to divide 350 by 1,000 and I get 0.350 liters. Now to solve for X, which is my moles of solute, I need to take 1.20, multiply that by 0.350, and that will give me my number of moles, which is 0.420 moles. Now notice in this problem, I now know that 0.420 moles of my solute of my sodium chloride was dissolved to create a solution that has 350 milliliters. But that's not what the question's asking. The question's asking how many grams of sodium chloride. So what I need to do is I need to go from moles and convert into grams, which you know how to do. You're going to put moles on bottom, grams up top. On top, you're going to put, because it's grams per mole, you're going to put the molar mass of sodium chloride, which is 58.44, and I'm going to put 1 in front of moles. So what I need to do is take 0.420, multiply that by 58.44, and what I get is 24.5 grams. So now here's a new calculation that you guys can do, a new concept that is molarity. Remember, molarity is concentration. It's simply moles of solute divided by liters of solution. So in the lab you guys are going to be doing, you can determine the amount of each compound, the number of grams of each compound,